This script just did something most beginners get badly wrong. It loaded a database password, an API key, and a secret token. None of them are typed anywhere in the code. Same script, different values. Dev, staging, and production automatically. I am Mahaz, episode 65. Environment variables, the pattern every production app depends on. By the end of this video, your secrets will never leak into GitHub again. Every beginner starts the same way, passwords typed directly in code. API_key equals the actual key, sitting right in the Python file. Push that to GitHub, bot scan public repos for keys every few minutes. The fix: never hardcode secrets. Read them from the environment instead. os.environ, built into Python 0 installs. python-dotenv loads a .env file into the environment for you. Cloud secret managers, AWS, GCP, Azure for real production systems. Today we build the pattern every serious Python project uses. os.environ is a dictionary of every environment variable on your system. Import os, then os.environ bracket keyname. os.environ.get of keyname returns none if it is missing. Pass a second argument as a default, get key comma default value. Environment variables are always strings, even numbers and booleans. Convert manually, int of os.environ.get of port 8000. This works everywhere. No library required. Typing export commands every terminal session gets old fast. python-dotenv fixes this. Pip install python-dotenv. Create a file named exactly.env in your project root. Inside it, key equals value, 1 per line, no quotes needed. From dotenv import load_dotenv, call it at the very top. It reads the .env file and injects every value into os.environ. Now os.environ.get works exactly as before, nothing else changes. The .env file must never reach GitHub, ever. Add .env to your gitignore file, the very first line. Create env.example instead. Same keys, fake placeholder values. Commit the example file. Never commit the real one. A new teammate clones the repo, copies the example, fills in real values. For real production secrets, use a secret manager, not a plain file. AWS Secrets Manager, GCP Secret Manager, rotated, encrypted, audited. The 12-factor pattern and ConfigBot are next. This is the exact pattern real companies use in production. 65 episodes. Free. Every single one. 1 subscribe keeps the series running. 5 bonus episodes still ahead. Tap it now. Okay, 12-factor config. The 12-factor app, a set of rules for building solid software. Rule 3, store config in the environment, never in the code. Config means database URLs, API keys, host names, anything that changes per deploy. The same codebase should run in dev, staging, and production untouched. Only the environment variables change between those 3. This is why Docker, Heroku, and every cloud platform inject environment vars at startup. Your code stays identical. Only the config around it changes. ConfigBot loads settings, validates them, and hides secrets from the logs. Step 1, call load_dotenv at the very top of the script. Step 2, list every required environment variable your app needs. Step 3, loop through and raise an error if anyone is missing. Step 4, typecast strings into int, float, or bool where needed. Step 5, bundle everything into a single config object. Step 6, print a confirmation that masks the actual secret values. Run it. Missing variable, clear error. Everything present, safe config. Ready. 3 mistakes that leak secrets or crash apps in production. Mistake 1, committing .env to Git by accident. Always check .gitignore before your first commit, not after. Mistake 2, forgetting that every environment variable is a string. Port of 8000 as a string will never equal integer 8000. Mistake 3, no validation. A missing variable crashes deep inside your code. Fail fast at startup instead. Check every required variable immediately. Your challenge. Step 1, Create a .env file with db_host, db_port, and API_key. Step 2. Load it using python-dotenv's load_dotenv function. Step 3. Print db_portcast as an integer, not a string. Step 4. Add .env to your .gitignore file. Step 5. Write a validator that raises an error if any variable is missing. Reply with a screenshot of your validator catching a missing variable. I check every comment. Let us recap what you learned today. os.environ, the built-in dictionary of every environment variable. os.environ.get with a default. Never crash on a missing key. python-dotenv loads a .env file straight into os.environ. .gitignore and .env.example keep real secrets out of Git. Secret managers, AWS, GCP, Azure for real production secrets. 12-factor config lives in the environment, never in the code. Always typecast. Always validate. Fail fast at startup, not deep in production. Next episode, hashing, encryption, and password security. Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you tomorrow. Environment variables unlocked. Config, secrets, and the 12-factor pattern all covered. Your secrets will never sit hard-coded in a Python file again. Next, episode 66, hashing, encryption, and password security. Subscribe. Show me your .gitignore in the comments. I am Mahaz. See you in episode 66.